Oil and gas firms using sucker rod pumps streamline their costs through maintenance efficiencies. However, manual pump inspections lead to high labor costs and extended service calls with substantial travel. Lone Star's predictive and prescriptive analytics solution monitors and evaluates all key subsystems and associated components for sucker rod pumps. Not only does the solution provide performance predictions, but it also uses cause and effect logic to pinpoint the source of an issue and prescribe mitigating and preventative actions. Parts may be ordered in advance of catastrophic failures, avoiding failures, unplanned downtime, and deferments. Lone Star Analysis software is platform independent and can be deployed at the site, at an aggregation point, at remote locations, or in the cloud. With the Lone Star solution, technicians know in advance what is degrading or failing on each pump. This helps them reduce their maintenance trips and the time needed to correct issues, ultimately reducing your maintenance costs by 25 to 30%.